Thanks for stopping by. My name is Jeff, and in today's video, guys, we are going to talk about passive income. So what I really am going for here, guys, is I want to start generating some passive income ideas and how to properly implement them while we're experiencing this volatile time in the stock market. What I really want to focus on, guys, is boosting your income so you can keep investing no matter how long this correction lasts. So I'm kind of hoping to get a lot of participation from subscribers. I want a lot of comments. I want a lot of ideas because this has been on my mind for about 2 weeks now. So every time I get a new passive income idea, guys, I just write it down in this notebook. So in 2 weeks time, guys, I have come up with 97 different passive income ideas. And this is a video series that I want to kind of continue for a while, and my game plan is to make one passive income video every week. Like I said, with the help of the subscribers and of course some of my own magic. Like I said, I have a lot of material to run on for a while, but ultimately, guys, I just want to help you all make more money so we can all keep investing during this bad time in the stock market. Let's get started. I'll just kind of show you some of my brainstorming and maybe kind of what's on my mind for the series. I intend for this video to be very short, guys. Like I said, it's just an introductory video because I have an idea that will almost guarantee you monthly income, and it's very, very simple and easy. Okay, YouTube has changed a lot over the past year, couple years, maybe going back as 5 years. You know, the Google search algorithm is getting very good at spotting clickbait, okay? So I kind of want to just, punch passive income into a search bar and kind of look through videos just for a quick minute and kind of try to separate which videos are clickbait and which ones aren't, okay? And one thing I do want to stress, guys, there's no such thing as passive income, and as this series go on, I will probably emphasize that a lot. But let me just explain something to you right now. There's no such thing as passive income. It doesn't really exist. But there is such thing as easy money. So just, we're going to kind of concentrate on the difference there. So one thing I'm noticing, guys, is that these are all pretty high quality videos. I watched a few minutes of this one. It's actually really, really good. I didn't click on this one. Now look, right here is Jeremy from Financial Education. I can go ahead and vouch for that. He's a very reliable channel, very knowledgeable guy. I'm a fan of his channel. And, the thing I respect most about Jeremy is his work ethic. He is a great... Okay, so right here is Jordan from the Millionaire Millennial. Now, I know Jordan. I've taken a few classes with Jordan, and I can go ahead and vouch that this is not clickbait. This guy is a professional at what he does. Like, he's really good at doing Amazon and drop shipping and things like that. He's really, really talented with that. I took an interest in it a couple years ago. Just wasn't quite my cup of tea. My passion is the stock market. I'm probably capable of doing the Amazon fulfillment and all that kind of stuff, but just not really my forte. Above me is my monthly car insurance bill, okay? This number has slowly went up every month over the past 6 months, and not a lot. I think 6 months ago I paid like $117, and it slowly and gradually built its way up to $120.83, and my term is up. I can actually cancel this month, and I'm going to. I actually called and canceled the other day. But my car insurance company, guys, they did not let me cancel because I don't have proof of my new insurance yet. So I'm gonna take care of that tomorrow morning, guys. But check it out. I started shopping for car insurance last Friday, and I ended up finding better coverage for $81 a month. So let's do a little math here, guys. I usually pay $120.83, and I have cut my bill down to $81 per month. And that's no fees, and that's a 6-month contract. But like I said, no incoming fees. I'll have immediate coverage, and then they start sending me a bill for $81 a month. So the total, guys, comes to $39.83. So you're probably looking at this and going, wait a sec. That's not passive income. You're not making any more income. And that is correct. But here's what I did. I'm paying a little less bills. So I spent, quite a bit of time on the computer. I would say 4 to 5 hours, doing car insurance shopping. And I probably spent an additional 2 hours on the phone talking to my 2 insurance companies. So I have roughly 7 hours invested into this project, but I just made $39.83 of passive income guaranteed for over the next 6 months. I bet 85% of the people watching this video have a car and they have to pay monthly car insurance. This is a really super easy way to put $40 a month back in your pocket. Again, I just want to reiterate, you're not making more income, you're just paying a little less bills. You're saving money on your car insurance. I did some pretty thorough shopping. That's $40 extra a month. That's a nice meal with your family. Or you could take that $40 a month and buy 1 share of Coca-Cola stock. You do that for a year. At the end of a year, you'll have 12 shares of Coca-Cola stock, and every single one of those shares will be paying you a dividend. If you have any ideas, anything you'd like for me to work on or kind of add to the notebook, just tell me in the comment section. And I can tell you, I'm already going to be excited to make the next video. So thanks for watching, guys.